Open your eyes to a whole new dimension. The world's first 360 drone, Antigravity A1. Exceptionally lightweight, with immersive vision goggles and an intuitive grip controller. The sky is in your command. Top and bottom dual lenses deliver 360-degree clarity with 8K resolution. Replaceable lenses help push your limits, so you never stop exploring. Featherweight vision goggles offer premium 1-inch micro-OLED displays, pulling you right into the moment. With 360-degree details, look anywhere, see everything. Immerse yourself completely. This is flight like never before. Climb incredible heights and soar with the thrill of a bird's-eye view. No piloting skills? No problem. A1 offers 2 types of motion control. Just point and go. Designed to feel natural. Flight guided by instinct. Watch the world open up. Pure freedom in motion. Share the experience with SkyPath. Simply set the path and let A1 take the lead. Fully autonomous flight. Share breathtaking, jaw-dropping moments. Or turn flight into something magical. Sky Genie turns every move into a cinematic moment. Flip the focus. Spiral deep into space. A1 captures it all. While traditional drones demand near-perfect aim, enjoy the action, frame it later, never miss the shot. Create endless stories with just one take. Use Auto Edit to find highlights for you. Build seamless transitions. Get smooth, cinematic results, completely automatic. Level up your flights even further. With one tap, lock onto your subject. Stay with them through every dynamic move. Utilize our intelligent obstacle avoidance, combined with navigation assist, so you always know what's ahead. Plus a payload detection system, stopping flight if extra weight is detected. 2 battery options to keep you airborne. Fly up to 39 minutes. Transmission up to 10 kilometers in full 360. Go beyond. Capture further. Stretch your horizons. Bend your world. Dive into an ocean of creative possibilities. Back home, relive every moment in 8K. Watch the edges fade into open sky. Your sky, your rules. This is not just a drone. This is a revolution in flight.